Hey everyone, it's Faith Joy, the Fear Engineer, and I am going to show you how to use your Easy Client Tracker. This is the Excel version, so I apologize, this is the Google Sheets version. So if you look here at the top left-hand corner, you can see that Google Sheets symbol right up there. Now, the first page is going to have some instructions on it. Make sure you read through those instructions. Important information in there, such as PII or personally identifiable information, and making sure you store your information in a secure manner to keep your client's information secure. Also, the age column is locked. I'll show you. In here, this age column is protected. It'll say 123 on all of them, and that's just because there's a formula in there, as you can see on the top left. You will not be able to edit that, so don't try. um, it will, though, however, if I was to put in a date here, um, any date will do. It'll tell me the age of that individual. So that is automatic. I've got a row at the top here that is just some dummy data to show you how to enter the information. It is broken out by street address, city, and state. That's so if you want to do some data sorting, then you can see how many people you have from a specific city or from a specific state or a zip code. Also, the anniversary date. This is the date that they started with you. So this is their anniversary using your services date. And you can use that for some special campaigns, some marketing campaigns, as well as their birth date. You can use that for marketing campaigns as well. Also, their occupation, it helps know what they do. Not just so you can get to know them better and be personable, but sometimes they'll have occupations that actually just change the way that you will interact with them. Or maybe they have an occupation that is useful and you want to collaborate with them. So always helpful to know what they do and how they heard about you. So this would be a referral. And referrals are important because you want more business and you want people to be raving fans so they will refer more of their friends to you. If they're referring your enemies to you, you're doing something wrong. So this is a referral referred by this lovely Lily Balsam. Now, this is useful as well because if you want to see all the people that Lily has referred, you can sort by this referred by column and then see all the people that Lily has referred to you. You can also get a quick view. Lily should have, if say if Lily has referred 10 people, then on this referred to, oops, that should be referred to us, fixed. This referred to us column will then have 10 people inside of that. So Sally has referred Georgia and Rainey. Also, what are their favorite services that you perform? Well, Sally tends to like Botox and filler. All of this information is useful data for you to market to Sally and to alter your services that in a way for Sally to feel more connected to you and to create that raving fan out of Sally. All right. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Hello at faithjoybooks.com. You can find me on social media at The Fear Engineer. Also, check out the other quick tutorial videos I have for your easy revenue tracker, for your perfect client worksheet, and your KPIs, as well as you can book a call with me, 30 minutes for free, and go ahead and look in your membership area. There's a section there that you can book a call. Have a wonderful day. Actually, no, make it a wonderful day. Bye.